Hi guys! Today me and my daughter are having a mother-daughter time and making some bracelets together.
Yeah, it's gonna be really fun.
Yeah, and we got some Valentine colors and she's gonna design and I'm gonna watch what she comes up with.
Okay, I think I should use some of these red beads a little.
Okay. There's some that's already loose, so I'll put it over here. We're gonna make 7-inch bracelets.
So I don't think it really matters because they're circle, but if they were a different shape, you have to line them up by where the hole is. That's something about jewelry making. See?
Do you want the same color to go all the way around, or do you want to?
Maybe I should take some of these beads away.
Okay, just put it in the little spot there.
Okay. Yeah. We like to make the kind of bracelets where there's not all one color. We like to make it really colorful.
And different patterns.
Maybe now I would do some. I wonder if this would look nice. See, these are like crystal colored beads.
Little spikes.
Yeah. Crystals.
Crystal spikes.
Yeah. Maybe I'll add about 4.
Okay.
Oh no.
That's okay. Here, let me help you with that if you wanna. Pull one more.
There.
Do you want 3 or 4?
It was 4.
4? Okay.
There. See, as I planned, 4 done.
Okay.
Now, what should we do next? Maybe we should do a few pearls.
Okay, let's do it.
1, 2. I don't know.
I'll get it.
Huh?
I'll get it. Don't worry. Just keep going.
I'll have about 3 pearls then.
3 pearls?
Yeah. See, that's what I'm telling you. It's really fun to design and to make them. Now, let's see. Do you guys think charms would look good? I don't think so because it's already so colorful, right? So maybe we should just do beads and no charms or anything.
Okay.
Maybe I'll add 2 more pearls. That would be good. And those are a lot of circles.
Let's see.
Are these beads? I can't tell.
Yeah, crystal beads.
These are, see the crystal beads? I'll use the heart because this is Valentine's Day, not Star Day because there are stars in there. So I'll use one of these hearts.
We might have to put them in a jump ring because this is a top drilled holes, so we have to put it in a jump ring to make it like a charm.
Yeah.
So this is gonna hang down here like a charm, okay?
Maybe
I'll start working on that.
Maybe we should do it by the pearls, right?
But it's not gonna. If this goes through the string, it's just gonna stick out like this. It's not gonna look like a.
Yeah, I want it near the pearls though, okay?
You don't want it to stick out like this, hang like this?
Yeah, I want it to hang like this.
Yeah, so which means I need to put it in make it into a charm. So let me go ahead and do that while you continue to design.
Okay, yeah,
this will not take up too much space. So I'll do that, and you just go ahead and keep designing.
Yeah, that's something you need to know about these types of projects. There are lots of things you can learn. So since it's Valentine's Day bracelets, I'm gonna be using a lot of red, lots of pink, and lots of white. Because I mean, you
Do
can't.
you need more beads, or are you okay with?
I'm
what we
okay
have?
with this. See,
Yeah?
look
Okay.
at these clear, like drops of water eat things. They do look funny.
We
But-
have some whites too. I feel like whites would go nice too.
Yeah, whites. I love that word.
Whites.
Whites, whites, whites. Now,
So those ones will hang like this. Hang. See, the holes are on the top, so this is not gonna go like. This is gonna hang. See, the holes are on the top, so it's gonna be like this.
oh, yeah, then I'm not gonna get that.
No, because we already got the spikes
Yeah.
that looks like that, right?
Yeah, you don't want to have two sets of spikes.
Yeah. What about these beads? Do you want to use these or maybe these ones?
Yeah, I'll use these squarish ones. They look really nice.
Okay. And then maybe go back to these, or maybe use these first, and then
Yeah, we
What
should
do you
do
think?
that.
Okay.
Oh no. Someday you should try making bracelets like these. Because one day we had a jewelry sale, but there was not,
We had a wonderful time, didn't we?
yeah. The customers really liked the stuff. We made Halloween theme. We made a few ornaments for the Christmas tree, and we thought those were really cute, right?
Yeah.
But we haven't made much necklaces though.
Yeah. Well, I think we like doing bracelets and earrings.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you should check out our earrings we made.
I think we only have shorts right now that has earrings, so.
Yeah.
But we'll be working on earrings pretty soon. Right now we're into bracelets.
Yeah.
How's our design coming?
It's going good. Where are the holes in these ones?
Those are
Oh, those holes are on the top, so they'd stick out like these spike ones.
yeah.
So let's see. Maybe I should use some of these gold beads. What do you guys think? I think
Gold?
sure.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
Those would be
We'll
cool.
open that gold beads.
Yeah. It's just that sometimes they just splatter everywhere, but most likely they're really fun to make, right? So, and it's really satisfying to see them fall from the string. I like to make bracelets the best because, I mean, I like how you can design them in like lots of different ways, and you can put like lots of beads. Oops, this one had a string on it.
Okay.
So maybe I should use other beads. So what do you guys think about this?
Okay, and I'm almost done making our heart charm. Do
Yeah.
you want to start stringing in your cord?
Sure.
Okay. Let's see if we can use a okay, I can't. Okay, you start stringing. Let's see if this will go through here. I think these beads will have hard time going through
Oh.
our little, yeah, these holes are too small, so we're just gonna have to string them. Okay, just use the string to,
Yeah. That's sometimes the thing about stretch bracelets.
it's hard to use the cord,
Yeah.
isn't it? I'm almost done making the charm.
My favorite part of making bracelets is designing.
Mine too.
Oh, I almost forgot. If you haven't, you should check out some of my reading videos. Looks like this one doesn't have a good bowl. Yeah,
Okay.
so I have to put this one right over here. Holy. See? You will really have to concentrate your eyes, so you don't want to do it for too long.
It's hard on your eyes, isn't it?
Yeah, so you shouldn't do it for way too long.
I think I have the sideways good enough to. Okay. Where do you want your charm? You want it on the gold side?
I want it after these pearls, between these pearls and the red beads here.
You don't think it'll be too close to
actually,
the...
I want it between these gold beads and these red beads.
Okay.
Because you don't want the charm to be between
More
ginormous
spikes?
beads.
Yeah.
Because it won't look that pretty.
Okay guys, we're gonna string this and then we'll come back when we have strung all of our beads to the cord.
So you guys, we finished stringing it. What do you think? See? You like it?
I love it, Nora. This is very different and edgy and pink and colorful. Really beautiful and one of a kind.
And I'm planning to give this to one of my friends for Valentine's Day.
Oh, nice. That'll be awesome. And I'm going to quickly tie a knot so that way our bracelet is complete.
And if you've ever struggled to look for somewhere to eat, we've got lots of good food review videos too, so you should check out that too.
Yes, please check out our restaurant review vlogs. If you are looking for a place to eat, like my daughter said. And our bracelet here is complete. I'm going to quickly push this. It'll go in.
Yeah.
There we go.
And I guess that's it for today. And I hope we inspired you to make good bracelets and have a happy Valentine's Day.